Good morning, guys. Good morning. Oh, man, I'm still sick. This is garbage. I hate it. I hate it. How's everybody doing this fine Thursday morning? Last stream of the week, too. I stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I'm going to start streaming on Fridays once we start getting towards that 100 viewer mark. But I'm super thankful for you guys being here and thankful for you guys hitting that like button. It always goes a long way, that's for sure. So thank you guys very much for tuning in. Now let's go ahead. Let me start getting the scanners up and we're going to jump into those charts, see what's going on out there. You guys got anything on watch? I have some Tesla puts that I'm swinging overnight. Those should be paying out pretty decent. Especially if Tesla can find its way under that 50-day moving average at open and just... Dwayne, good morning, good morning. Let's hop on over here and look at the charts real quick. Whoops, there we go. Remember, guys, you can join us over at the Discord for free right there. You guys got anything you're watching this morning? Oh, the SPY sticking it there at that 50-day moving average? No, that's probably the misprint, isn't it? Yeah, that's probably that misprint there. All right, guys. Let's start looking at some scans here. Let's see what's going on out there. So we got the SPY, you know, moving on lower. We had that overnight. Session really dropped a little bit more. Yesterday what happened was, you know, the Fed minutes came out from the December meeting. A lot of stuff that came out we already knew was stuff that was going to be coming out. But there was an extra sense in urgency on rate hikes, and there was a lot of uncertainty in there that the market didn't like. And that's what I've been saying now for some time, that, you know, we'd see more urgency in rate hikes, and we would see some uncertainty. And the Fed, you know, was just plainly wrong, and they're just playing it off. So check this out. I tweeted this not yesterday, the day before. So this Thursday, Wednesday. I tweeted this Tuesday night, I think it was. I actually pinned it. It's a pinned tweet right now. Let's see. There you go. You follow me on Twitter. I'll put the link there in the chat in a minute. It says, a lot of $20 course pretend investors and traders are about to learn a big lesson this year. when they buy the wrong dip, expecting a fast bounce. 2022 is a wake-up call where a lot of fake furus will disappear. And I pinned that tweet because I wholeheartedly believe that. I wholeheartedly believe that's something we're going to see happen. Let me get you my link there so you can follow me on Twitter. There you go. Come on by. Let's go ahead and take a look here, see what else is going on here. All right, so according to CNBC, Dow futures edged higher in early trading Thursday, recovering after worries over tighter monetary policy led to the first losing regular trading session of the year. Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 104 points, or 0.29%. The S&P futures were little changed, and the Nasdaq 100 futures fell 0.37%. Energy shares helped boost the market in early action as crude rose 1.5%, Marathon oil gained 2.6%, Occidental Petroleum was up 2.2%, and ExxonMobil 1.3%. Shares of Walgreens Boots Alliance gained 2.7%. Boots Alliance gained 2.7% in pre-market trading after reporting strong earnings for its fiscal first quarter earnings for the year and raised its forecast. Rate-sensitive stocks were higher a day after minutes from the Federal Reserve December's meeting revealed that the central bank is getting ready to remove its economic help more quickly than anticipated. Officials discussed reducing the Fed's balance sheet in another move to dial its pandemic-era monetary policy. Oh, just replying to some of the group over there at the Discord. Morning Monarchy. Let me send out a little tweet here. Let everybody know we're live here on the YouTube channel as well. In the meanwhile, guys, throw up some tickers there you might want me to look at for you. Put them up there in the chat. All right, guys, let's see what we got here. Let's take a look at these scans real quick here. See what some of these leaders look like. FRLN with a nice push this morning. PSTV as well. SYTA. No, not much there on that one. So let's check and see if there's any news on this FRLN. FRLN. First Trust Latin America. No, that's FLN. FRLN. Freeline Therapeutics Holdings announces FDA clearance of investigational new drug application for FLT 201 for Gaucher's disease type 1. All right, so we'll definitely be putting this one on the watch list here. Let's take a look at this daily chart, see what it looks like. Beaten down daily, has potential maybe for a little bit of a recovery here if we can hold this $3 zone, clear as day level. So let's go ahead and get to work on this. All right. So FRLN. So FRLN, FDA clearance of investigational new drug application for Gaucher disease type 1. Watching for a break and hold of the $2 zone. No, $3. Sorry guys, a little sleepy this morning still. Took that NyQuil yesterday, really knocked me out. So FRLN FDA clearance. Watching $3 area to break and hold. Look at this daily chart. Look at this support at $3 in the past. Look how much support this thing had at $3 in the past. And that lines up with the 100-day moving average. Man, that's a nice setup if small caps are really hot. So if we break and hold that level, we'd have some room towards 350s and 420. Has room towards 350 to 420. There he is. All right. All right, so we got the first one down. Cindy bringing up a couple there. Let's go take a look at those. IMMX. Oh yeah, same as yesterday. It's not doing much. It's just consolidating. It's kind of putting in a little bit of a bull flag formation. Just picture this as a bull flag. That's what that is. You're getting nice decreasing volume in the flag consolidation, so that's good. Definitely want to watch for a move like this. You see how I draw that out? I do that all the time over in the Discord. Like in the live Discord, I do that all the time. Let's take a look at the next one, MYNZ. Yeah, this one was sad to see sell off yesterday. Yeah, you know, it needs to hold the low at least, but I wouldn't hold my breath too much on that one. I really wouldn't hold my breath too much on that one, Cindy. Hey, wait, I had 2 cups. The hell? They need to sponsor me at this point. They've been on the stream way too long. I tell you, a little sore throat and the chills have not gone away. They haven't gotten any worse. They just haven't gone away. All right, so we got those out of the way. What else we have? PSTV hitting the scans here. The Beast, what's up, man? Start mixing it with coffee. Oh, that does not sound appealing, but it might work. Let's see here. Okay, so 2 hours ago, PSTV. So Plus Therapeutics significantly expands investigational oncology drug pipeline. So that's the word that's going on there. I don't think I have corona. I think it's just a cold. Or some sort of like little hybrid weird cold. But I don't have any breathing issues. My cough is very weird. Like weird is that I don't cough all day long. I'll cough like a little bit in the morning, a little bit in the morning, a little bit at night, and that's it. It's just a sore throat and chills. That's it. Started about 3 days ago, Monday. Yeah. So that's what's been going on, J Rod. The King Pedialyte. Might have to give that a whirl. All right, so PSTV. So PSTV expands investigational oncology drug pipeline. Let's write this one down. All right, so we have that one. Now let's take a look at the daily. Thank you, J Rod. Appreciate it. I've been taking it easy in the sense that I'm just trading the morning, going over a quick recap and lesson with the gang in the chat room, and then in the afternoon I usually come back, take a quick look, and we do an afternoon scan or an afternoon commentary. But I've been skipping the afternoon commentary this week. I've been skipping the afternoon commentary this week just because, I want to rest up so that I don't get worse. Because if I get worse, then I'm gonna miss out on a few days, and I don't want that to happen. I haven't missed days unless I'm on vacation. Give me 1 second here. Yeah, so that's been usually our new schedule this week until I get better. BBY bouncing around on news. Daily looks like crap though. All right, we're going to go check that one out in a minute here. All right, so PSTV. Let's take a look at this daily chart. Got clear resistance at $2. That also happens to be the 200-day moving average as well. And I mean, look at all this past support, previous support at $2. Look at this. It goes on and on and on. Again, like the song, Don't Stop. Look at that. And then it turned into major resistance. And that lines up with the 200-day moving average. And this morning, where do we find resistance? Around that 175 area in front of $2. So that area is going to be super important. I'm going to put PSTV on the back burner list for a break and hold of 2. So watching for a break and hold of 2 could have room towards towards 250 to 3. But like I said, I want to hold my breath on these small caps. They've been trading very poorly. Did I get that right? Oh no, I missed a B. Oh yeah, nice pop here on BBY. Yeah, you got that 50-day moving average lining up with this little top right here. Whoops. It coincides. Look at this. There. And then 50-day. And 100-day. Yeah. I see what you're saying. Jesse, get some chicken feet and make yourself a clear soup caldo to get your system back in no time. It's not a bad idea to get some chicken soup stuff going on. Dude, silver shrimp, those spy puts, bro. Oh my god. You must be up over 1,000% if you're still in a little piece of that. 900? I knew it. I knew it. Beast. Man, yesterday I missed the afternoon. I'm taking the afternoons off, something I don't do. I'm taking the afternoons off so I don't, I kind of rest and I don't get super sick. So yesterday I missed that, but I did jump in some Tesla puts a little bit before the close. So those should pay up nicely today too. Not 900% nicely, but since they're a little bit more expensive, I don't need them to go 900%. Hell, if they went 900%, they'd make me crazy rich. Well, not really, but let's see. If they went up 500%, I mean 900. Now we're just daydreaming here. If those Tesla puts were just stupid and they went up like that, silver shrimp, it'd be like a $30,000 day for me. They don't gotta go up that much to make me some money though. Congrats. Sold 25% of the position before the close, selling the remaining 25% today. Hell yeah, man. Congrats. Good job. Morning to Rib Chick. Oh, ZOG, Zog. Welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you on there. Looking forward to trading with you. What do I think about BTCS? I know this is one we had on watch a while back. Oh, my shoulder. I absolutely hate the daily chart, like I've said before. It had volume yesterday. Made a nice move. Needs to get over this 475 pivot. Look at all that resistance. So, yeah, it needs to break that level. Okay, so we got FRLN, we got PSTV. Let's see what else is on here. Light volume on this SYTA. SYTA. Let's see if it has any news. No news that I see on this at all, and it's pretty light volume in pre-market, so maybe not one to keep on watch too much. BTCS. Why do I hate the daily chart? Well, first of all, look at all this overhanging resistance. You got 50-day, 100-day, 200-day moving average. You have all this previous support just above $5 and around that $5 level that now is easily going to be a potential resistance zone. And we're underneath all of that. We're underneath all of that. Not only that, but we've been trading in a bit of a channel. And we're basically smack dab in the middle of the channel. That means it could be a choppier chart, a choppier trade. I don't like to trade in the chop. Hope that helps there. $95% of your wealth is in IPOF. Man, that's not because of the name, but just having so much tied up in one name. You're a brave man, Silver Shrimp. No problem, my pleasure. Anestes. Anestes? How do I pronounce it? I want to pronounce it correctly. Anestus. I feel like I'm saying it right. You tell me. Sewer shrimp, man. You're nuts, my man. Close enough. Let's see here. Anestus. Got it. Nailed it. Google for the win. Thank you very much, Anestus. I was not going to stay down for long. Yeah, man. Yeah, so it's not about the name. You know, I truly hope that thing works out like you wanted to. I'm nervous having so much of the that's this. I'd just be so nervous having so much of my net worth in one play. Oh my god. I have it spread out. Real estate has the bulk, but you know, I'm comfortable in real estate. I can live in a house. RELI, Cindy? Let's go check that one out. Oh man, this Halls. A little Halls candy, man. What? It's got me pepped up again. I was really down early on. Roger that, Silver Shrimp. I know you know what you're doing. So RELI, we've been looking at it all week long. We started looking at it on this day in pre-market. On that day in pre-market, we drew this ascending triangle, and we talked about it breaking and holding 825. We're back under 825. We were back under 825. We're still holding that level, so we're consolidating decently. As long as it keeps holding this level, you know, you have a shot at getting a squeeze on. The problem with it is that small caps have been trading horrible. Flat out. They've been trading like garbage. Their range has sucked because most of the attention is over on the overall market. So resistance lines are holding up rather strong. Small caps are a little bit choppy. Support zones are holding extremely loose. So, you know, it's going to be a difficult one. Gotcha. So we're shrimp. That's okay. Cool beans. All right. So we still only have FRLN and PSTV, guys. There's not a whole lot hitting the scans this morning. Trade idea scans here. Let's see what those are looking like right now. We have ATHE, VCRA, PSTV, BBBY. We haven't seen the ATHE. I don't think we've looked at that one, so definitely one to check out. Those are the trade ideas, gap scans. If you guys are looking for trade ideas, then here's a 15% off coupon code for trade ideas. That's the one with Holly, the artificial intelligence. I'm going to do a whole video on that one. Well, so far in pre-market, we had one big push up and then it's giving it all back. You got the 100-day, the 200-day all up in there. It's underneath support. And not looking the greatest right now. Well, jobless claims in. Another 207,000 Americans filed new claims last week. New claims ticked up last week, coming in slightly higher than the expected 195,000. You got FSR calls. $17 strike. January 22nd expiration. I'll check that out now. So ATHE Therapeutics granted new U.S. patent for compounds for neurodegenerative disease, including Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. As we've seen lately, though, these patents on Alzheimer's and other types of neurodegenerative diseases haven't been doing well. So I'm not even going to bother putting this on the watch list, to be honest with you. I mean, FSR, the good thing for it that you have at least a 100-day and the 200-day moving average right here just underneath it. But look at the resistance that 50-day average showed up as yesterday. Fisker really needs to get over that 1950 zone. Yeah, sure. I'll give you 2 links. There's 2 ways of joining. You have where you can join DTC Lite, meaning the first month is free and then it's $24.99. And that way you have access to everything in the Discord, including my live stream, which is every single day, Monday through Friday. And I'm on there doing lessons as well every single day. Or you can join the free section exclusively. And we stream Mondays for free. So you can check us out on a Monday if you want, when we're in there streaming for free. The free section is super active as it is. That's where most traders are always talking. But you just won't have access to the live stream and the daily lessons, the daily recaps, the daily trading and stuff like that. And you know, sharing my screen and whatnot. Wrong bet. Welcome to the Discord. I'm going to crunch up this Halls candy real quick, guys. So give me a second. I don't want to bombard you with that noise. Morning, Ricardo. Yep, swing on by. Guys, do me a quick solid. We got 25 people watching in the stream. We got 16 likes. Hit that like button for me. It really helps out with the channel. It really does. There we go. 17 likes. Thank you very much. Keep pumping those numbers. All right, another one that was on the gap scan here for trade ideas, VCRA. See this VCRA, that's a big move. I figured it looked like a buyout. So yeah, they're rallying in an acquisition by Striker Corp. It'll pay $79.25 a share to acquire VCRA. So there you go. Another one just hit the scans here, MULN. That's a horrible looking daily. I think we already looked at this one earlier. You've been independent for like 8 months on your 2-year journey. Prefer it that way, but you seem very transparent and have been watching your growth for the last 2 years. Yeah, absolutely, man. Just swing on by. We're happy to have you there. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Yeah, what you see is what you get. What you see, how you see me here is exactly how I am over in the stream. There's nothing else to say. This is how I am. This is how I am. You know, 24/7. But thank you. I appreciate that. All right, so we have. Not a whole lot, guys. Not a whole lot this morning. Checking on Tesla. Tesla trying to bounce back a little bit here. Hoping that it can open itself underneath this 1070 zone. Let me see exactly where this 50-day moving average is at on Tesla. So the 50-day moving average on Tesla is 1072.69. So far, the low this morning on Tesla has been in 1065. I would love for it to open up down there. Those 1075 puts I have would be printing very nicely. Right now, as it stands, I'll make money on them, but you know, it would be much nicer to see Tesla open up down here and just dump. We'll see what happens. All right, so Tesla. I'm going to start putting this one on the watch list here. Tesla watching for the 50-day MA to break and become resistance. Has room to fall to 1054-ish. To the low 1050s. Or watching for the 50-day MA to hold support for a bounce back towards. Oh, my chart froze a little bit. I'm gonna have to give it a second here. I might even have to restart it. Yep. All right. Give me a second here, guys, so I can restart these charts. I use Trade Idea scanners and TC2000 scanners, Monarchy. Right now, we're actually doing a deal. We're actually doing a deal where if you sign up for DTC Pro, you get TC2000 scanners for a whole year for free. We're going to pay for your scanners. Dwayne, we'll look at Roblox for sure. Okay, so they're back up. So if the 50-day holds, we could have room towards that 1100 to 1120. Back towards 1100 to 1120. Sorry guys, talking to Jonal, site administrator over at the daytraderchatroom.com and in the Discord. All right, so we have Tesla watching for the 50-day moving average to break and become resistance, has room to fall to the low 1050s, or watching for the 50-day moving average to hold support and bounce back towards 1100, 1120. Yesterday, believe it or not, I made my money on Tesla with calls. I know, sounds crazy. Let me show you my trade yesterday on Tesla. There it is. So my trade yesterday on Tesla was for the gap down reversal. And that's something that I do a lot of because I'm a trend trader and I trade patterns with the trend. But every once in a while, if the stars align correctly, I will go after a gap down reversal. And yesterday was the day that I went after a gap down reversal. Tesla gap down, small gap down, right into support, bounced right off of it. And then it began to hold this 1150, which was a daily level of support. So we started to hold that 1150, but that 1150 lined up as well with that 9 EMA. At the time, it lined up with the 9 EMA and this 23.6 Fibonacci level. So right here, I bought calls and sold some here and then stopped out the rest in here. Right before it went even higher, which kind of sucked, but still, that's where I made my money yesterday. Then we went into lessons and recaps later in the morning, and then in the afternoon, I missed out on that. Oh my God, it hurts just to see it. So that's where I made my money yesterday. Oh, wow. I just noticed, guys. Thank you very much for all the likes. 23 likes so far. Very nice. Thank you. Appreciate that. Roblox. Let's jump into that one, Dwayne. Let's take a look at that one real quick. Roblox. Yeah, Roblox was affected, obviously, yesterday and broke that support. You guys remember we talked about this clear support at $92. Yesterday, it finally broke down under it. So let's erase all of this. Most of this anyways. Because now that level could wind up being resistance. We are sitting right at the 200-day moving average. Right there. You're going to want to see it hold that level. That level does coincide with previous level here on the daily chart as well. You see it right here, previous tops. Lines up with the 200-day moving average here at 86 and change. So you could be trading between a new channel there, 86 and change to 92. Little coffee. So let's put Roblox on the back burner. Watching for the 200-day MA to hold support around the $86 area. Could have room towards 92 if the market bounces. So we're keeping that one on watch there. Hey guys, do me a quick favor. Right now I'm just streaming Monday through Thursday, but I do plan to stream on Fridays once we hit 100 people on the stream. And lately we've been floating around that 20 to 40 mark, primarily 30 to 40 mark. I think yesterday we actually hit 50 people, which was pretty cool to see in the stream. Share the stream on social media with your friends and stuff. Let them know what we're doing here and what we're all about. Not no pumping garbage. We're here talking about, you know, actually trading and real levels based on charts and not just chasing stuff. So, you know, the faster we can grow the stream to 100, the faster we'll start streaming every day, Monday through Friday, which is ideally what I'd want. All right, so we got Roblox, PSTV, Tesla, FRLN on watch so far. Do you guys got anything else? Man, that coffee was good. Jose, EAR. That one must have had a piece of news just hit right now to have that type of move. Nope, no news yet that I see on here. So I'm sure news will hit soon because that's a pretty big move. Level of resistance that we might see on this thing will be up here in this $8 zone. Beautiful level of support here at 620s. It's coinciding with that 50-day moving average area. That's a really nice level right there. Very clean. Look at this support there. Support right here. Support right there. Turned resistance in here. And now 50-day moving average. That is a very nice clean level. Room to run on that one. Good eye, Jose. Definitely putting that one on the watch list. So EAR watching for the 620 area to hold support near that 50-day moving average area on the daily. Could have room towards 860s. Guys, if you want the free watch list, because this watch list that we work on every day, we send it out for free. You can get it there. Oh, you're in Kendall? It's funny. I'm just south of that. I'm sure some news must hit here soon, because that type of move looks like, you know, like algorithms that pick up the news and boom, before all the traders jump in there. Oh, dude, you're even closer. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm even south of that. It depends what time of year. I might be in the Keys, or it might be just north of Florida City, out in Homestead. All right, so coffee run. Yeah, man, can you tell by my bro accent? I got that Miami accent. Yeah, swing by the Discord, guys. Let's chat. Here, let me put you the link real quick. Swing on by there. We'll do a locals chat. No, I grew up here. I grew up in Hialeah. What do we got there, Joe? You bought FRLN at VWAP. Do you think it... Let me see. Do you think it should still hold? I should still hold. FRLN. I can't tell you what to do, my man. Especially when you enter a trade, you must always have a trade plan. If you bought it at VWAP, where was your stop? Like, for example, if I bought it at VWAP, right? Let's say I bought this pullback here because VWAP is lining up with $3 zone, which is a level on the daily we identified. That would mean that my stop is going to probably be about 290. Where are we? 273? I would have been stopped out already a long time ago. Me. Would I stop out because the stock cannot come back to 350? No. I stopped out because that was my trade plan, and I know that the stock can come back. If it comes back and resets and gives me a new setup, maybe I'll go after it again. Maybe I won't touch it. But I'll know that if I bought this pullback into this support zone and the support zone cracked and failed, I must stop out of that stock. Well, I mean, what do I think about the stock, the company? I don't really care what the company does. I don't know really anything about them. If I'm buying it for a trade, there's two different things. If I'm buying it for a trade, I don't care what the company does. I just care about the technical analysis. And that would have been my technical analysis on that one there. If I'm buying it for an investment, that's a different story. Yeah, Jose, sounds good. Yeah, okay, well, there you go. If that's your stop, that's your stop. You know, I just, you know, I gave you what my plan would have been had I been in it. All right, so we have, let's see if anything new has hit the scans. What's the deal with BBBY? The thing is that it's ugly chart. I'll probably be focused on Tesla and the SPY today. So Bed Bath & Beyond stock sinks after supply chain disruption drive earnings miss and profit warning. Yeah, I'm not going to trade BBY. Not going to trade that one. Okay, guys, do you have any other tickers you want me to take a look at for you? You know, some of the ones we haven't looked at this morning has been Rivian. and Lucid. You guys remember yesterday I told you Lucid, that 50-day rejection, that we had room to fall down here to these 35s, and sure enough, there's where we're at right now. That'll be a level to watch today on Lucid for potential support if this market wants to bounce today. You can see here previous level of support on Lucid. Could have room back towards 38 to 40. Slower mover if you don't want to trade Tesla, for example, because it's too volatile. Lucid is a little bit slower of a mover. So Lucid watching for 35.50 area to hold support if market bounces for a move back towards 38 to 40 area, or a break down under 35.50s. If that area becomes resistance, could have room to fall towards, at that point you got a lot of room to fall, that 100-day moving average in $33 area towards the $33 area 100-day MA. So we have FRLN, we have Tesla, Lucid, EAR, PSTV, and Roblox. You guys have anything else there? Because we got like 4 minutes here, and then I'm going to hop on over to the Discord. Oh guys, today I have a new video coming out on my channel. It's gonna be a fun one, I think. It's on my mining rigs, on my crypto mining rigs. I already shot it. It's uploaded to YouTube. It's on a schedule. It'll come out today, I think around 3 p.m. I think it'll provide a little fun. Yeah, we went over that one. Wow, that thing's going. Wasn't it? No, it was Jose who brought up ear. Yeah, ear watching the 620 area to hold support near that 50-day moving average. Could have room to 860. Damn thing already made the whole move. Unbelievable. Still no news popping up on this thing either. Hey guys, do me a quick solid. Remember to hit that like button for me. We got 33 people watching the stream, 26 likes. If you can help that catch up, YouTube will be like, hey, this is pretty good. Let me put it further up in the suggestion feed so other people can join. All right, so it's looking like that might be it for the watch list, guys. Let's do the SPY real quick. So far, the low on the SPY has been down here in that 467.50 area. The 50-day moving average on the SPY lies around 465. These crazy wicks here must be misprints. On the SPY, you know, it's going to be an easy one to watch in this sense that the plan for me on it is watching yesterday's low, 468.28. SPY watching yesterday's low, 468.28 area to break and become resistance for a move down to test the 50-day MA around 464.65 area. 464.65 area. So we got that SPY, FRLN, Tesla, Lucid, EAR, PSTV, Roblox. I think that pretty much, guys, it starts to really round up that watch list very nicely. I think that runs out the two rib chick ear. I already gone over a few times here in the stream, but I know you're in the Discord, so I'll be going over it again when we go over our pre-market game plan over in the Discord later on. So I'll go over it again later. Yep, ears on the watch list. 620 area support, room towards 860. I know it's already pretty much made a big move towards that level. Umberto is our swing trade model over in the Discord. He's putting in there in the day trade, the DTC trading floor, an AAL short idea. Oh my God, Great Dane! I almost Great Dane. You just hit it out of the park, my man. That's a home run. That's a home run comment right there, because I wouldn't doubt it one bit. Because I don't see any news on that thing either. Dwayne. Yeah, my man. See you there. Oh, it's 9 o'clock, guys. I got to get hopping on over to the Discord. Remember, I stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9. All right. I want to start streaming on Fridays, but we need to make it to 100 people watching. We got 40 people watching right now, 29 likes. Help me out, because when you hit the like button, the YouTube algorithm picks up the stream. And then that'll help us get closer to 100 faster. And that's when I'll start streaming on Fridays. And that way we can have this party every Monday, through Friday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and put these pre-market game plans together. We've gone over the SPY, FRLN, Tesla, Lucid, EAR, PSTV, Roblox. Like, we've gone over a whole lot of stuff here. EYES, that one usually goes when ears starts moving around. Light volume, not much happening there. Kashra, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Hey, thank you guys very much for hitting that like button. Remember, I'll be back on Monday, 8 a.m. to 9. In the meanwhile, if you want to join us, you can grab 30 days for free right here and join us in the Discord. You too, Great Dane. You too, man. Be careful. Hopefully these Tesla puts are going to print very nicely for me this morning. I'll let you know later. All right, guys. Good luck out there. Stay safe, and I'll see you all